Southern Tier's #1 local news. This is 12 News at 11.
Good evening and thank you for joining us for 12 News at 11. I'm Nicole Long. Dozens from across the Southern Tier gathered in downtown Binghamton again today, protesting the potential cuts to essential funding in the federal budget. I was there with them as healthcare professionals, those who depend on that funding, and the Lieutenant Governor all spoke against this proposed multi-billion-dollar Medicare cut.
Show me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
Show me what community looks like.
This is what community looks like.
It's important because radical Republicans are passing massive cuts to essential services for those that are most vulnerable across the board.
Citizen Action and Binghamton Indivisible have been hosting rallies throughout downtown Binghamton in recent weeks as critical federal funding cuts hang in the balance.
I think we have to recognize that the only way they're going to make the $880 billion in cuts that they want is by cutting Medicaid, Social Security, and Medicare. I think we need to recognize that.
The Medicare and Medicaid cut would strip health care for millions of seniors, children, and people with disabilities.
I am so worried about people losing their health insurance.
While the cuts are being streamlined by Republicans, the head of the GOP here in Broome County believes some sort of change is necessary.
They're talking about Medicaid cuts at the federal government, and I really want to draw attention to the healthcare system in New York State. I think Governor Kathy Hochul has done a pretty bad job at managing healthcare across New York State.
He's not the only one standing by that belief. New York's Lieutenant Governor has put his hat in replacing Hochul and joined the protest as a key speaker, advocating for the working class and equal benefits every American should receive.
Democracy is one person, one vote. We're all created equal, irrespective of race, religion, gender, sexual...
Approaching the situation not from a place of hate, but with love.
Well, I mean, I think particularly with any democracy, you have to understand that it's built on a moral idea. You know, this idea that we're all created equal is, in fact, a moral idea. Then you need to have your value set reflect that, and love is the ultimate value.